So this is a question. I am interested in your answer to this question, okay? So here's the question. Paul says, what options do you recommend for getting rid of excess FBA stock in the USA? What options do you recommend? Okay, so the first thing you'll need to work out is this. While everybody else is typing, and I know they're all going to type, it depends. First thing you need to work out is this. Do you plan to sell that product again? Like, have you just ordered too much stock and it's not moving fast enough, therefore you're trying to get rid of some stock to avoid long-term storage fees? Or are you in a situation where you're like, this product hasn't worked, no worries, bada boom, bada bing, I want out of it, get my money back, I'm on to the next thing. Because that clearly will dictate strategy, okay? Having said that, let me give you some ideas of ways to liquidate stock. So, lots of people saying discount, and discounting is a great way to go about doing this, okay? So what you should do is you should drop the price of your stock to break-even point based on your numbers. And what that will do is Amazon's algorithm will kind of, it's a weird thing to understand, but it kind of restarts. It's like clicking restart on your computer. It makes the algorithm start again. Anytime you change the price, the algorithm, to a degree, kind of starts again. And the starting again process is, okay, Paul, you've basically given me a new opportunity to try and sell your product for you. Let's see if some people want to buy it at this new price. And so Amazon will then send your product out and it will test to see if you can make sales at that new price point. And that process gives you an instant bump in the search engine results page, okay, in the SEO standings. So there's that cool thing to do. Very well done. Discounting is enough. Bundling, says Yvette. Bundling's a great idea. Can you take your product and bundle it with something else? Could be something you already sell or something you're planning to sell, and create a bundle to add value to what you're doing. That's a great idea, Yvette. Una says, lower the price, do coupons. Very, very cool. You could do a coupon thing. Could you do a promotion? So let's talk about promotions. You could do a Amazon giveaway. So you could do Amazon giveaways. Can you do a giveaway for the product? Generate some business, make some sales by doing a giveaway for the product, or put it on as a lightning deal, for instance. You could do that. That's a great idea. Paul says he wants out. You could put it on somewhere like wish.com. Let's talk about that. So you could put it onto daily deal websites. So in the States, the daily deal website that I find myself returning to most frequently is Groupon. So Groupon for me tends to be the one that I go to liquidate any of my stock I want to get rid of. And you won't make any money from it, but it is a very, very quick and painless way of getting your money back from your product, okay? Because Groupon typically wants a 50% discount, and that's typically all of the profit in the product, okay? So there's that. In Australia, you could do catch of the day. Wish.com, I haven't tried liquidating anything on Wish, but, you know, why not? Why not give it a shot? I'm sure that could work. Can you bundle ahead? Yes. What else? Another site I use for getting rid of volume. So if I want to get rid of 100 units of something and I don't want to dick about, then the site I go to is, hopefully I'm not logged in so you guys can see all my shit. See, liquidation.com. Here we go. So liquidation.com is a place where I go and liquidate my stock. If I've got like 100 units of something and I can't get rid of it for whatever reason, and I just want out of it, I'll go to liquidation.com. Their website's really, really slow. I don't know why, but it's at liquidation.com, and you can get rid of it on that. Same thing on eBay, Facebook stores. Victoria Ewan has done things on Facebook stores as well, very, very successfully getting rid of product. You could use Facebook stores to do that. In Australia, you can use Gumtree. As I said already, Catch of the Day. You could do that. Other more creative things you could do to get rid of your stock. You could give it to influencers as a way of building a relationship with them. Ready for your next launch, you could just give it to them as a way of doing that. You could give it to existing customers as a way of building a relationship with them, or as a way of getting reviews for products they've already purchased. Hey, give me a review, I'll give you this kind of thing. You could try that. Of course, that is very black hat, so be careful with anything like that. Anything else I would say? And then if you really are feeling very, very nice, you could donate it. Perhaps do something like that, okay? Oh, Oz Bargains and Oz Sales, Chrissy and Marie saying it's very, very good. Dead easy. Facebook Marketplace in bulk. There you go. So there's heaps and heaps of great ideas there from everybody as a way of actually liquidating stock, Paul, that you can use to get rid of all your stuff. By the way, you should go and check out what's on liquidation.com. Did you know that any time a business on Amazon where they just get rid of their excess, get Amazon to get rid of their excess inventory, which happens all the time, Amazon sells that inventory on liquidation.com. I don't know if you knew that, but they do. And so you can buy other people's FBA products, 10 cents on the dollar, to go in and get that. So that's something else as well. Super cool. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.